Hi guys, I'm May Magnayi Williams. Welcome back to my channel, Food with May. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Rellenong Manok. That's right, it's roast chicken filled with all sorts of things. You've got minced pork, you've got carrots, vegetables, some spring onions, cheese, eggs. You could even add raisins. So if you had chicken and embutido, roasted, put together into one, then Bob's your uncle. Not literally, but you get what I mean. It's delicious. Rellenong Manok is influenced by Spain, who also brought other European cuisines to the islands. This dish is maybe a modified version of the French galantine of chicken. There are many variations to Rellenong Manok today, and each family has their own versions. Spain also brought Catholicism to the Philippines, which meant Filipinos embraced the religion as well as their culinary traditions. Rellenong Manok is also usually served during the Noche Buena or Christmas Eve feast, eaten after midnight mass. Okay guys, so here's what we need to make Rellenong Manok. You have a whole chicken. So this chicken I deboned. To see how I debone this chicken, look at the description below. I've got minced pork, I have eggs, cheese, I have frankfurters. You can use any sausage you like. If you have chorizo, or if you have if you like any other sausage, you can use that too. Onions, garlic, some carrots that I diced, salt and pepper. So also you'll need a string. You need a string to tie your chicken later on when you roast it. Toothpick. I'm using toothpick. Am I saying it correctly? I don't even know. Toothpick to seal our chicken. You'll also need foil for your chicken when you roast it. The first thing we need to do is make our filling. So I have got the minced pork here. Let's add some carrots. If you saw my embutido recipe, this is basically that. The only thing you won't add with this is the eggs. The eggs we will add later. I'll put that on the side for now. Some cheese, onions. This is easier than me chopping it, basically. So then you have your garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt. Don't need very much in there because you're going to season your chicken on the outside anyway later. And then some pepper. The messy part, but the best part. Mix it all together. That looks fab. So now that's ready. We are going to season our chicken with some salt and pepper. You can be generous at this because you want to make sure that the outside also tastes good. Put some inside as well. Some pepper. We are ready to fill our chicken with your stuffing. I'm going to show you guys. And you can see, just put it in. Fill it as much as you can. without breaking the bird. Don't forget you're going to add your eggs in here. So take your eggs, add it into as far as you can, as close to the neck as possible. Just, there you go. And I think that seemed pretty stuffed to me. Don't worry, we're going to fix it because you don't want a skinny bird, do you? You want to try and stitch this together. Could probably fit another egg in here, to be honest. So just need to sort of pull the skin together. Not sure you can see it, but pull the skin together like this. It's a bit slippery. And you stitch them. I mean, if you have a needle and a string for meat or something, you can use that too, but for, I guess, a normal household, this is pretty much available everywhere. And I don't have any skills at sewing things, so this is the closest I'm going to get to sewing. I'm just gonna seal the bum to this. Oh no, it didn't work. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, I done it. I did it. Maybe I need to go and twist it. Oh, I broke. Toothpick down. So what we wanted to do is seal the neck area. We want to seal this neck area here as well. So I'll need a few more toothpick. Yeah, sometimes skin is very fragile, so you just be careful. Need our string. You only need probably this much. What's this? About 12 inches. I normally tie one leg because this is just how I made this work. Tie one leg. And then I went and sort of tie, so I took the other leg like this and tie them together. So I put it on top of each other so they look pretty. Right, so kind of 1, 2, and then I kind of use my thumb to leave a gap. And then I'm going to put that through the gap. Okay, and that should be ready. Cut the string. So our chicken is now filled with stuffing. I've sealed it, tied the legs, so it's ready to go in the oven. Now we need our tray while we wait for our oven to heat up. So you would want one with a rack. I'm going to fill it with some water because I want to use the dripping as a gravy. So fill it, but don't let the water touch the chicken. No. I'm going to add our chicken in there. So gently move your chicken and the wings. We are going to cover it in foil, just like this. Right, so that's in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes with the cling film on. And then I'm going to take the cling film off the chicken and cook it for another 30 minutes until it's nice and golden on the outside. Now the Rellenong Manok is ready. Oh yes, it looks great, guys. So the skin has kind of split a little bit and I can see some cheese have oozed out of the chicken. That's not such a bad thing after all. So I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to leave this to cool down for a little bit while I go make the gravy. So now our chicken has cooled down. We are going to put this in a serving plate. My hands are clean, so I'm going to try actually and put this. It's quite tricky. Maybe I'll just tip it. I'm just going to tip it because it's probably the best way to do this. Oh, it's stuck. No worries at all. And then you just wanna, there you go. Now I'm going to add some vegetables on the side. I have bean sprouts and carrots on here. No, there's not a bean sprouts, it's Brussels sprouts. You know what, I'll get mixed up with those two. Adrian gets so mad with me. What do you mean? Why are you talking about bean sprouts? Oh, sorry. I mean Brussels sprouts. Kind of even out a bit. And I have my gravy from the dripping from the chicken. So here's the chicken relleno or Rellenong Manok. So roasted chicken filled with minced pork and vegetables and sausages and cheese. Looks great. I'm gonna cut a piece for me. Okay. Oh my god. Dropped the whole thing. Oh, never mind. Now I'm gonna add the gravy. Alright. It's so good with eggs. Let's try it with some bean sprouts. Oh, I got Brussels sprouts. I can definitely taste the sausages in there, the frankfurters, the carrots, the cheese. They all blend in together and it's so delicious. I think this is a great centerpiece, guys, that a lot of you will love. Overall, it's a fantastic dish for your Noche Buena or Christmas meal this year. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, hit the bell button and subscribe to my channel for more Filipino food recipes and taste the Philippines in your own home. For now, paalam! Bye!